Now we are discussing about mean deviation about median of a grouped data. So let me tell you the steps for that. First is find median m. Then you can find xi minus m and take its modulus. Then find fi into mod xi minus m. Then use the formula for finding mean deviation about the median. This is the formula for mean deviation about the median of a group data. It should be more clear up with an example. So listen properly. So listen here. So we are doing with an example here. All of you listen. Here, a table is there, xi is there, fi is there. We know that whenever we are finding median, we have to write the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency will be 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22, and so on. So totally 34 observations are there. So we know that if the total number of observation is an even number in the case of discrete data, we know that we have to take 34 by 2th observation and 34 by 2 plus 1th observation. That is 17th and 18th observation. This we have learned in lower classes already. So listen here, 17th and 18th observation comes here in between 12 and 22. 17 and 18 comes under or between 12 and 22. Between 12 and 22, the observation value will be equal to 18. So median will be equal to 17th observation, that is 18, plus 18th observation, that is 18, divided by 2. We'll be getting median m is equal to 18. So first of all, we have to find the median from the given data. After that one, listen here, let me draw the table of xi minus m modulus. Here instead of m, I'm writing the median which I got, which is 18. So that is sigma xi minus 18. From each given observations, I'm subtracting my median, then I'm finding its modulus. That is the table of sigma xi minus m. After that, I'm multiplying fi and this xi minus m modulus table. So I'm getting fi into xi minus 18. Actually, we can say that this is fi into xi minus m table. After multiplying that one, after adding that one, I'm getting total sum of that one is equal to 110. We know that mean deviation about the median of this group data is equal to sigma fi into xi minus m divided by sigma fi, that is 110 divided by 34, that is equal to 3.23. Now let me do one question based on mean deviation about the mean of a group data like this, like interval type. So marks are given, frequency is given. The question is to find the mean deviation about the mean. We know that in order to find the xi table, we have to take the midpoints of the intervals, right? Midpoint of 10 and 20 is 15. Midpoint of 28 and 13 is 25, and so on. We have to find the midpoints of the intervals in order to fill the xi table. After that one, you multiply fi xi, we are getting 30, 75, 280, etc. all the values. After that one, you have to add the table of fi xi and fi. Then we can use a formula for mean sigma fi xi by sigma fi. 1800 by 40, that is equal to 45. So after getting mean, we know that when, from each observation, first observation is 15. From this 15, we have to subtract this mean. That is 15 minus 45 minus 30. Then go for its modulus, it will give you 30. And again, 75 minus mean 45. Sorry. 25 minus 45, that is what? Minus 20. Its modulus is 20. Then 35 minus 45, modulus is 10. 45 minus 45 is 0. 55 minus mean 45 is 10. 65 minus 45 is 20. 75 minus 45 is 30. Like that, we have to draw the table of xi minus x bar modulus. After that one, we have to multiply this frequency table with the xi minus x bar table in order to get this one. You can see that this 2 and the 30 will give you multiplied like 60. Then this 3 and this 20 equal to 60, and so on. We have to multiply all the values of fi with all the values of sigma modulus xi minus x bar. Then after you find the sum of sigma fi into xi minus x bar table, then also sigma fi value. So what's the formula? Mean deviation about the mean is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar divided by sigma fi. This formula we are using for a grouped data. So numerator is already we got here 400. Denominator we know that is 40. 400 divided by 40 is equal to 10. It will be the mean deviation about the mean of this grouped data. So listen, first fi xi will be given. Marks and fi will be given. First find xi, then fi xi table, then find the mean from the formula. After finding mean, draw the table of xi minus x bar modulus. After getting that table, draw the next table fi into xi minus x bar modulus table. In that one, actually, what we are doing, the members of sigma xi minus x bar is multiplied by the members of the table fi. That's the idea about this question. Now, similarly, let me do mean deviation about median of a group data like this one, a class interval. So listen here, I told you already in the beginning, you have to know how to find the median of a group data, which we have discussed in grade 10 standard. So class is given 0, 6, 6, 12, 12, 8, etc. is given. Let me find the midpoint. That is the xi values 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. Frequency is also given here 8, 10, 12, 9, and 5. So in order to find the median, first of all, we know that we have to draw the CF table. 8, 8 plus 10, 18 plus 12, 30, 39, 44, etc. like that. You can see that in order to find the median, normally we are using median of this group data is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. That formula we have learned in grade 10 standard. You can see that total is 44, right? Its half is 22. That 22 comes between 18 and 30. So we can see that this 12 into 18 will be the median class. Our lower limit of median class is equal to L, that we have learned in grade 10th. Okay. So instead of L, I can write 12 plus N by 2 means 44 by 2, that is 22, minus CF. CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. This is the median class, right? Cumulative frequency is the CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding, means just before. So 18 is CF, right? Now what is F? F means that is a frequency of the median class. Frequency of median class, you can say it is 12 here. Into H. H is the class width, which is equal to 6. So formula will be like 12 plus N by 2 minus CF is 18, F is 12, H is 6. We are getting that is equal to 14. Now listen here, after getting that median 14, let me draw the table of xi minus m modulus. What I'm getting? 3 minus 14 modulus 11. 10 9 minus 14 modulus 5. 15 minus 14 modulus 1. 21 minus 14 modulus 7. 27 minus 14 modulus is 13. I have to draw that table. After that one, listen here, what I have to do, I have to multiply my frequency table with this table. What I'm getting, 8 into 11, 10 into 5, 12 into 1, 9 into 7, 5 into 13. I'm writing those product values in this here. After that one, we have to add them. We have to find the sum of fi into xi minus 14 table. I'm getting 278. Sigma f is 44. Let me apply the formula for mean deviation about the median of a group data. It will become 278 divided by 44. Final answer will be equal to 6.318. Try to get the idea how to find median. Then after, how to draw the table of xi minus m modulus, then how to get the table of fi into xi minus m modulus, then after try to use the formula, and also the informations are given here, try to do it properly. Now the next topic is variance, which is very easy. You have to learn two formula, that's all. Variance of an ungrouped data, that's the first topic. X1, X2, X3 up to Xn are n observations. X bar is the mean of those n observations. Then variance of that ungrouped data is given by the formula sigma xi minus x bar. This is x bar. Sigma xi minus x bar all square divided by total number of observation n is known as variance. Normally variance is denoted by sigma square. Let me do an example for you. Here some observations are there. You can see 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, etc. Observations are there. I think you know how to find mean. Directly, I'm writing here mean value that is equal to 18. I hope if you are given an ungrouped data, you know how to find the mean. So mean is equal to 18 here. Let me find the value of xi minus x bar, then squaring them, then adding them. So what's the first value here? First observation is 4. 4 minus 18 all square. 8 minus 18 all squared. Next is 12 minus 18 all squared. Next is 16 minus 18 all squared. So like that, from each observation, we have to subtract the mean and square it and add it. We are getting, after calculation, value is equal to 672. You can see when you are simplifying, it will become 14 square. 10 square, 6 square, 2 square, etc. up to 14 square again. So totally, if you're adding, you'll be getting 672. We know that the formula for finding variance of a ungrouped data is sigma xi minus x bar all square divided by n. So xi means, as you know, each observations, right? So value is what? 672 divided by 8, that is equal to 84. So like this, we have to find the variance of an ungrouped data. Try to understand. Now remember, the next topic is standard deviation. In short, we can write STL. Remember, if variance is known for you, standard deviation is always the root of the variance, and it can be denoted by the letter sigma. It's that much only. Standard deviation is equal to root of variance. Now let us discuss variance of a grouped data. Two formulae are there. You can use either one of them, no issues. First formula is sigma fi into xi minus x bar all square divided by n. Second formula is sigma fi xi square divided by n minus sigma fi xi divided by n all square. These two formulas we can apply for finding variance of a grouped data. Let me do an example for you. Here some data is given. So let me write the midpoint of that one, which will give you xi value. Frequency is also given for you. Let me find the total sum of those frequencies, which is equal to 50. Now, first of all, I have to find mean, right? In order to find mean, what I'm doing, fi xi I'm finding. Fi xi, that is 3 into 35. 7 into 45, like that I'm doing. I'm getting the sum of that fi xi table is equal to 3100. Then after that one, let me find the value of x bar. We know x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, that is 3100 total fi xi divided by total fi, which is 50. I'm getting x bar is equal to 62. After getting that x bar is equal to 62, we are constructing the table of xi minus x bar all square, which means from each xi value, we have to subtract this mean 62, then we have to score it. So first will be what? 35 minus 62 square, that is 729. 45 minus 62 square, that is 289. 55 minus 62 square, that is 49, and so on. We have to fill the table of xi minus x bar all square. After getting xi minus x bar all square table, with these frequencies, we have to multiply them. Like how? 3 into what? 3 into 729 is 2187. This 7 into 289 is 2023. Then 12 into 49 is 588, and so on. We have to fill the table. You'll be getting the sum of that table is equal to 10050. We know that variance of a group data is given by the formula sigma fi xi in minus x bar all square divided by sigma fi. First value is 10,050 and the sigma fi is 50. So if you're dividing, you'll be getting 201. We need to find variance and standard deviation, right? Standard deviation is equal to root to 201, because always standard deviation is equal to root of variance. Root of 201 will give you, that is equal to 14.18. This much topics are there in the chapter of what? Statistics. So the chapter is very easy. So try to understand the concepts, try to learn the formulae, and try to do more practices from the textbook. Have a good time. Thank you.